Bolaunter class, introduction and use of joint coordinate system. The robot joint coordinate system is used to control the motion of each joint, and different robot joint types also vary. We can switch coordinates through the WJ button on the left side of the teaching pendant. J represents joint coordinates. W represents world coordinates. Next, let's practice. This is the Bolaunter 08056 axis robot. First, log into the Senior Administrator and turn the key to manual mode. We can see that the workbench on the left displays world coordinates. Click the WJ button to switch to joint coordinates. Now, we can operate the J1 to J6 buttons on the right side of the teaching pendant through the Enable button to operate the corresponding axis. We can see that its one axis has a degree of freedom of plus or minus 170 degree. Its two axis has a degree of freedom from minus 98 degree to plus 80 degree. Its three axis has a degree of freedom from minus 80 degree to plus 95 degree. Its four axis has a degree of freedom of plus or minus 180 degree. Its 5 axis has a degree of freedom of plus or minus 120 degree. Its 6 axis has a degree of freedom of plus or minus 360 degree. If you want to move the robot end position to the desired position in the joint coordinate system, it can sequentially move the motion of each joint to guide the robot end position to the designated position. Take the one-axis joint movement as an example. We can set a starting point first, click Set the end point, click Insert, press J1 plus. Turn the robot to the point where we need it. Click again to set the end point. Click Insert. Then we come to the automatic interface and run the robot motion between the points we just wrote. We can see that one axis has already repeated its work according to the path we have set up. Above is the Bolaunter class, introduction, and use of joint coordinate system. Any questions about the content? Welcome to ask questions in the comments. Follow me for more technical information.